Hey everyone, welcome to Master and None Garage. I'm Andrew. Today, I'm going to be doing a walk around of the 73 Super Beetle. But first, I need to go get my welding tank filled up with argon. So today, I'm not going to really be building anything. I just noticed something kind of funny. Speed head. I'm sure we could all use a little bit of some of that. Anyways, let's get on with today's episode. Here we go. So first I'm gonna take this bottle, throw it in the van, and we'll be on our way. Here we go. All right, we're here. I'm gonna go take care of the gas, swap them out, refill it, however they do it, and then we'll be on our way. And I'll show you around the 73 Super Beetle. Let's go. Got the new tank. This tank's actually bigger. They didn't have any in my size, so they just swapped me out and upgraded me for free. So that's cool. I like come-ups. Anyways, let's get on to the 73 Super Beetle. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit about this car. I found it in Orangeburg area, but it used to be, about 15 years ago, it used to be like a drag car. And it won its class numerous years in a row. It's far from that anymore, but I'll show you around it. It's a 73 Super Beetle. It's on a Isuzu truck chassis, and it has a cage in it. That was the spoiler that I unbolted so I could get the car cover on there. It's got like a Trans Am or Firebird steering column. A lot of GM stuff in this thing. It's got the Pontiac Firebird or Trans Am wheels. This whole front clip comes off. I'll show you that in a little bit. If anybody can find any information on this car, that'd be great. I think there's like 3rd gen Camaros or Firebird seats in it. There's the speedometer. There's a tachometer. Everything, you know, works kinda. The floor is the worst part, I think. The floor is actually made of chicken wire and fiberglass, so they really butchered this to make it happen, but they made it happen. The rear end is, I believe it's a 10 bolt, and I believe that they either put a spool in it or welded the diff. There's a radiator. I believe that is the fuel tank, and that's actually rusted out, which is fantastic. The car's kind of rusty, like a lot rusty. I don't know if it's worth doing, honestly. But what I would have to do is take the body off the frame, scrap the floor, and start from scratch, remount the body, and then do the floor pans again. But this is my wife's car. I bought it for her, and thinking that I would get started on it ASAP and make some progress, but it's just gone to the wayside right now, and it's just wait until I'm financially able to start on it.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
So here's the front clip. I think it has the same Pontiac front suspension, and they kind of did their own thing on the steering linkage and stuff. I'm told that this is a weird angle for the steering linkage, but it's set up for a small block Chevy up front. Those are the mounts, I believe. The wiring is all way far gone. I mean, it needs everything. It really does. And you know, this is a whole fiberglass front clip. But maybe one day I'll start working on this. It's kind of depressing looking at it, honestly. But you know, I hope you enjoyed the walk around on this this 73 Super Beetle. I appreciate you guys watching. If you liked today's video, please like, share, and subscribe, and comment down below and tell me what you think about this pile of crap. So I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.